Underwater, you can't breathe here. You've been looking for somebody like me. I've been looking for somebody like you. Ooh. And oh, my heart is running out of time. I need you right here by my side, and I can be everything you want. 'Cause you can be, you can.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. This video is about our trip to Goa.
Going deep, yeah.
So we are driving to Goa and it's about 560 kilometers and it's going to take about 11 hours to reach Goa. Right now we are heading to Agonda in South Goa. The right time to visit this place is from November to Feb. Finally, after that long drive, we've made it to Agonda.
Taking back the pieces of the love we know, and we will grow.
We are staying at Orange Sky Beach Huts. We've been here before like 2 to 3 times and we love this place. We are here for 3 nights and 4 days. Our shack is right at the beach. Let me quickly give you a shack tour. The shack is so cute. We are staying in a non-AC shack. However, there is AC shack also available. We took a quick nap and now we are heading right into the beach.
Do to me how you make me feel. Whoa.
Oh my god, the beach is so clean and peaceful. That's exactly why we love Agonda Beach. It is not crowded and it's so relaxing. We are just having some fun and waiting for the sun to set. We freshened up and came for dinner at Fatima's. The food was yum. It's day 2. Yesterday was very tiring after that drive. So today is going to be a relaxing day and we got up quite late. Now we are heading for breakfast at Rama Resort. I had set breakfast and Sam had English breakfast. It was quite good. We had a lot of time to kill, so we were just lazing around the beach. Right now we are heading to Palolem Beach for some shopping and also lunch. Palolem is a little crowded compared to Agonda, but shopping is great here. Palolem is great for quirky stuffs, but you have to bargain. We found a secret path through which we could enter the beach, so follow me. The first thing I saw in the beach was this lady. I immediately went to her and got my hair braided. 2 braids for 100 bucks. How do I look? Wow, look at these cottages. How cute are they? It was too hot in the beach and we were damn hungry. After lunch, we went back to the shack and had a nice sleep. When we were up and ready to hit the beach, I saw this board and I got excited. Recently, I've been practicing yoga and I thought it will be great to do sunset yoga. Leona is a yoga instructor from London and the session was great with her. While I was doing yoga, Sam had fun in his own way. It's day 3. As usual, we were chilling at the beach for some time, then we went for breakfast. Today we plan to go on a long drive around South Goa and after that we had lunch. We came back to do our favorite thing, that is flying the drone. We got a new drone, DJI Mavic Mini, and we are experimenting with the settings. We have also added a video of our drone footage. I will leave a link in the description. Do check it out. Later, we got into the beach to play with frisbee. That was a beautiful sunset. For dinner, we were just walking around and found this place called Chili Samba, which had live music performance.
Great, let's do it again. Just repeat it. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. You guys are amazing. Get it all the way, all the way, all the way. It's time to say goodbye. Get it all the way, all the way, all the way. It's time to say goodbye.
We loved her music and the vibe of the place. She is Efi Sussman. I will leave a link in the description. Do check her out. day 4 and the last day of our trip. So I've come for a walk. We had some yummy pancakes for breakfast and now it's time to leave. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description below.